Today we are going to be finishing what we started the other day. So we are going to be going to finish the campaign, hopefully today. And then we'll probably do some criminal convoys and grab some more hotspots and stuff to get us closer to the 100%. I did fix it a little bit where you guys should be able to hear me more than the actual game this time. I know it was a little bit harder to hear me in the last two, but I should have those fixed. And then we're just going to be playing the game. Yeah, I don't really know what is going on. They kind of threw me into the story, and then the first two episodes, I still have no idea what's really going on. But it's a whole bunch of like civilians and trying to be hackers and running from the government and everything. So we'll just continue with this and see how far we can get through the campaign today. God, these guys suck at driving. Alright, here we go. As I say that, and I just drive through that. Alright. It's not what I wanted to do. Thank you. Breakable Things.
Someone here was hired by Damien. Start with the owner, Robert Racine. And just work your way down. Stay cool, just keep your head.
Alright, let's get a little bit closer. See if we can't get into a camera or something. Have access. Alright, go to the camera. Scout people out. Trigger an alarm, an explosion, another camera. Go to this camera. See if there's anybody that's out of range. See that guy? Singing trout. I wonder. Let's do this. See if we can get that guy closer. Let's see. The access code. I wonder if anybody has an access code. Dang, I could have blew that one up. Man, these do take it. Oh.
Go! Come in! After months of physiotherapy, the verdict is in.
Oh, I got all 10 of them, okay. Way to go me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we go here. Guess I don't care about that.
What is this?
Go over here. Wait for. Aw, dang it. Okay, well, I guess we can Try to make that guy explode. Need to get on the camera. Try to see if that'll explode that guy.
Search for him.
Flush them out.
Come on, turn around. Got it. Got that guy. Got that guy. Come on. Yeah, there you go, right there.
Go and get him.
Got it. Alright. And I should have this guy here in a second. I haven't... Crap. I haven't played in a couple of days, so... Sorry, couldn't really see him right there while he was doing that. There we go. Come on, get closer to me.
Find some cover. You think he went over there? He's hitting us from...
Hack him. Grab all the money that they dropped and some of the guns that they dropped. So I ain't gonna buy them. And then I should be able to get up here now. What the? Alright, I guess I'm going to be doing this again. Okay, I don't know what's going on, but I will leave it alone. Doing this thing. Inside, see if there's any stairs. Here I go. Okay. Nobody? Active.
Nothing. The computer. You can hack the cameras through the computer.
Alright.
Robert. Nice to meet you.
Are you double-crossing me? I got you the Pierce woman. The woman, yes. I told you not to go for the kid. Did you think I'd actually pay you more? Now you've complicated things. Who's this guy after me? Did you send him? I didn't send him, but I probably should have warned you about Aiden. You gotta help me, or I'll tell him everything I know. That's exactly why you don't know anything. He's not gonna be happy when he finds that out. Fuck, man, what do I do? Whatever you can. Good luck.
Alright, so that is the...
You son of a bitch. You're not getting away from me.
Oh. out there was no way I was going to catch him or shoot at him. There. Alright, now I gotta just chase him down.
Hello? You're gonna have to get somebody out here quickly, alright? You got it. We're here to help. I'll run this guy off the road.
I need you to use the road.
Going in for a hit.
Okay, there we go. There we go. There's another hit. Okay, that's not what I wanted.
Time to bang him up.
Oh my gosh, this mission is not being easy.
Let's force him out.
Okay, I probably have to just tackle him.
Hunter's got a gun.
Nope, that didn't work. Okay. That's a little irritating. It says take him down, but I literally trashed his truck and he... There we go. That's a little bit faster. Run this way. I don't know if I want this car, but it's okay. Alright, full speed ahead. Here we go.
Hello? You're gonna have to get somebody out here quickly, alright? You got it. We're on our way in now.
Alright, let's go. Okay. What the? Okay, this one's a little irritating. Okay.
Stand back,
Alright, got it. Run this way. Get in the car. Immediately take him down. Okay, I got 10 vehicle takedowns.
hello? You're gonna have to get somebody out here quickly, alright? You got it. I'm on him.
Got it. Okay, you just have to be fast about it. And run away. Alright, run away.
Ram his
Run away.
car, come on.
Run away. So I don't know. I do need an extra one of these. Ooh. I can raise and lower those. Okay, that would be better. Let's... I'm 1 point away. Yeah, extra point.
Damn, my car's done.
Alright, there we go. Keep going.
Wake up!
There we go. Got it. Okay.
Don't fuck with me, Aiden. Wasn't I clear?
You stay away from Jackson.
Yeah, about that. One of my employees got a little overzealous. Your nephew is not on my radar. But you go off the rails again.
Put my sister on the phone.
Listen to you. You think you have any control here? You get to talk to Nikki once you have something useful to give me. Follow that IP address and then we'll talk. Right now, you're just wasting my time.
Alright. So now he's a backstabber. Got it. Alright. Let's see. I'm not
Danny
connected
knows
to
me
the Mad Mile. Ooh. We need to
Well.
unlock this.
Knows exactly how I'll react. Must have been planning this for a while. That man always goes too far. He'll hurt Nicky if he doesn't get what he wants. Alright. For now, I'll play his damn game. I'll follow his IP address. But I'm gonna find a way around him.
Okay, really? There we go. Look at the guard with the access code. Got it.
What the hell?
Alright.
Careful.
I gotta see a camera somewhere. There's gotta be a camera somewhere.
That's far enough. Don't come any closer.
Oh, shut it. There we go. Maybe get in this guy. Dang it. How am I going to get closer? I guess you just kind of gotta wait on this one. I mean, besides that camera.
What the hell's going on?
There we go. got this side of the camera. Okay. For here.
Whatever, not my problem. My gear's gonna blow.
That guy.
Look out!
Stay cool.
Where is he? Search that. Don't stay there. Move on. Be careful. Stop wasting time. Look.
Alright, hold on.
I'll check over there. Check somewhere else. Heads up. Can't be far. Keep searching. Nothing here. Moving on. Almost clear. I'll head that way. Go check somewhere else.
Alright, let's see. Is there another way around that I could go? Since they're all over there on that side now?
Keep an eye out. Are you fucking kidding me? Who bought this shit? Taking hits here. Careful. Start looking for it.
And maybe that one? How am I missing him? Dang.
Watch yourself. I can feel eyes on him. Nearby. Looks clear. I'll head down. Hey!
Oh my gosh, why is...
Gonna need a hand. Opening. Move in.
I'm on it. Support team here.
Huh? Grenade! Get down! Look out!
He's armed.
Oh gosh, this is not good. This way. Oh. Oh, it pulls me out. Of course it does. Restart, I guess. This one is kind of hard. You just gotta be more stealthy and shit.
Great, that's what the city needs more of.
Yeah, you hear me, mister?
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Did I miss this? I completely missed it. Okay. Where is he at? There's no lures, looks like.
That shouldn't be moving, should it?
I wonder what you have to do. Okay, so I got that. It's camera. Oh. I need to do that camera. And then I do the shutters.
Whoa.
Aim this way.
What's going on?
Use this guy. Maybe he can turn and aim. Turn.
I got movement. Really? Oh, you want some? Investigating suspicious activity. What the
Wonder
hell
if
is the
he'll
matter
turn
with
to
this
where I
thing?
can get it to it.
Let someone else deal with this shit.
No? Does it?
Who's there?
Man, does nothing ever work around here?
Search that way.
Check over that way.
Wonder if he comes whenever he comes back, if I can get it.
Don't see Jack.
Alright,
Gonna check somewhere else.
turn around. Turn around.
There's nothing here. Moving on. I got nothing.
Clear, I'll head
Check
that
over
way.
there.
I don't see anything. Gonna move on.
We're wasting our time. He's gone. I wouldn't relax just yet.
Alright, turn around, go back. Come on. I want to see if I can get into it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, no. That's not what I wanted.
Keep an eye out.
What the? Oh my gosh.
Don't let your guard down.
So, let's see. Take a lure.
Stay on your toes.
Still be someone around. Hey!
This is the one guy that can go to it. And he's not gonna move now.
Don't relax just yet.
Okay, so can I please? Okay, this guy's got a camera. Can I please go this way? I need.
Looks like nothing to worry about.
Oh my gosh, please.
Don't relax yet.
Does this guy never move?
Somebody screwing with me?
Did I just see that?
Still be someone around.
Alright, I should be able to get it now. Ooh, should, come on, turn.
I wouldn't relax
Turn,
just yet. Whatever. This city's buggy as shit.
Come on. No. Really? Okay. So I've got to... Oh my gosh. These guys' cameras are ass.
That's not right.
Okay. That is the guy that does it, but he needs a lure right here.
Somebody call maintenance.
Alright, there we go. Go Go here. Go here.
Keep an eye out.
Huh?
Here.
Who the hell did that?
I better check that out.
Thank you. Holy crap. Okay. So I need to turn this and timer starts.
Looks like a standard malfunction.
Got it.
How much of this
Okay.
data is CTOS collecting? Where's it stored? What are they doing with this?
More data. More data. I wonder if this is any good, valuable information that I get. Alright. And that unlocks this whole island. Alright. I just need to leave the area without anybody seeing me.
That's gotta be the vigilante from the news.
Ta-da! Alright. And this will call it for this one. And then I should be able to keep going. I will catch you guys in the next one.